The new Karcher KB5 cordless sweeper is the perfect solution to that everyday tidy. Suitable for both hard floors and carpets, the KB5 is lightweight and easy to use all round the home. The automatic start-stop system and flexible cleaning joint makes the KB5 simple to use and perfect for getting right up to the edge and into all those hard-to-reach places. With a large capacity dust tray, the KB5 is ideal for picking up fine dirt and larger items such as children's food or pet hair. Once finished, the dust tray is easy to empty, and the simple charging solution means it's always ready to use. The Karcher KB5 comes with a 2-year warranty.